guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Elleece London, and thank you all for clicking on today's video. I'm back with another wig review from the brand called SoulLady Wigs, which I worked with a month ago. Make sure to check that video out. It's the 13x4 body wave lace frontal wig. I didn't even need to say all that. Y'all see it. You'll see it. But this time round, they sent over their 1B33 loose wave 22-inch lace frontal wig, which straight out of the pack came pre-styled, literally just like this. I did not curl this unit. It came like this, straight out of the pack. It came pre-plucked and pre-bleached as well, so you do not need to do a thing. No customization needs to be done on this unit. Like, I can't fault this wig at all. Like, everything is just giving, from the color to the lace to the style to the hairline. It's just giving everything it's supposed to. And alongside of the hair, you know that with SoulLady Wigs units, they always come with the scalp tape. So all you need to do is put that tape inside of the wig 1 centimeter away from the hairline, so that it gives off a scalp-like appearance. And as you can see, once I place that there, it's giving pretty much scalp to me. And like I said, this unit comes pre-bleached because the knots were so small I could hardly see it, and the lace was beautiful. But I'm just extra and I wanted it to match my skin tone, so all I did was add my foundation to the lace so that it can give that ultimate melt. This unit is also human hair. But wait a minute, let's get into this lace, because whoever plucked this unit plucked it to perfection. Just look at that hairline. Now, after installing it, I'm gonna place my edge band to secure everything in place. Then, to make this wig even more flat, I'm gonna go in with my VO5 Freeze Blast Spray and spray that on top. I didn't need to do this step. You don't have to do this step, but like I said, I'm just extra and I always need to make sure everything is all goody. And I also do this just to make sure there's no flyaways that may be sticking up. Once you take this unit out of the packaging, it is so flat, like you don't even need to use a hot comb, hairspray, anything like that. It comes flat. So as you all just saw, you saw me combing out the curls because the curls were quite tight. They were in quite a tight curl. But even when I did comb them out, it still held that curl, but it's still giving sexy. Then I went in again and added foundation to the lace and added the VO5 to hold it in place so that it could blend even more. Because for today's video, this is going to be a no baby hair look, so the lace needs to be blended. So for the edges, I'm just going in with my Eco Styler gel and just touching it up so that it looks more sleek at the front. So yes guys, this is the finished result. I did not have to do much. Like I said, straight out of the pack, it comes pre-styled, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-colored. You don't have to do anything. No customization at all. So this was a very quick and easy install for me, and it will be for you too. So if you enjoyed watching today's video, please make sure you leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.
That means